Heartbreak level drama. Human-assisted delivery. Munching snacks like pros, laughing our heads off. In reality, brown bears live quite a pitiful life. Every day, they scrape by with a seafood-only diet. And clams are one of their staple foods. Mom, it's stuck in my claw. Stylish handbags these days. But they sure come with a pinch. All these clueless cubs look exactly the same, don't they? LOL. Besides that, they also munch on protein-rich meat. But why do only the adult bears eat it? The cubs don't even touch it. No teeth, to balance their diet. They occasionally snack on plants packed with vitamins and minerals. But even grass has competitors. Facing the storm head-on. After a stinky showdown, both sides finally calmed down. Today's mission: stink each other to death. I'll try releasing it. A match made in stench. The stink brought them closer. LOL, what even? When summer rolls around, brown bears pack up their families and head to the annual salmon feast. Millions of salmon swim in from the Pacific to lay their eggs. Every brown bear is pumped and ready to roll. The cubs are practically bouncing with excitement. Dear viewers, Happy New Year to all of you. Except for this one brown bear who isn't moving an inch, because he knows there's no fish here. LOL, that's some next level trolling. The salmon are still on their way. But the bears can't wait any longer.